Hello everyone. My name is Shivam Kurmi. I am a student of JNKVV College of Agriculture, Rewa, MP. Today I am discuss about my ELP presentation topic method of plant breeding. Different type of plant breeding methods. First one is pure line selection, second mass selection, third clonal selection, fourth pedigree method, fifth bulk method, and last one is backcross method. First, pure line selection. It is also known as individual plant selection. It is given by Johnson in the year of 1903, coined the word pure line. Pure line selection involves selecting a large number of plants from a self-pollinated crop and harvest them individually. Plant progenies from each of them are evaluated independently. This method is commonly used in self-pollinated species, example wheat and barley. The next, merit of pure line selection. It is a cheap and easy method of crop improvement. It is a rapid method. Lines are usually genetically fixed. Pure line gives uniformity and similarity in appearance, useful in improving low heritability traits as selection is based on progeny performance. Demerits of pure line selection. Demerits of pure line selection are given below. Pure line have poor adaptability due to narrow genetic base, that is time and space consuming method, that is more expensive method. Second is mass selection. Mass selection is the process in which the individuals are selected from a mixed population based on the phenotypes. The next generation is grown by bulk, the selected seeds. After 5 to 6 years of continuous selection, the selected seeds are multiplied and distributed. This is one of the oldest method of crop improvement. Mass selection is applicable to both self and cross-pollinated species, but mostly for cross-pollinated crops. Merit and demerits of mass selection. Merits are given below. First is varieties developed will be having more adaptability since each plant is genotypically not similar. They have buffering action against abnormal environment. Time taken for release of a variety is less. The genetic variability present in the original population is maintained. Demerits of mass selection. Compared to pure line variety, they may not be uniform. In the absence of progeny test, we are not sure whether the superiority of selected plant is due to environmental or genotype. May not be uniform as that the pure line variety and certification is difficult. Third is pedigree method. Pedigree refers to record of the ancestry of an individual selected plant. Pedigree breeding consists of crossing parent and generating segregating populations which are conducted through generation of self-pollinated and selection until a set of derived lines that combines the good characteristic of both parents is obtained. It is widely used for the improvement of self-pollinated species for development of new varieties. Fourth is bulk breeding method. This method is also known as mass or population method. This method is used for the genetic improvement of self-pollinated crop plant. Easy to handle, population is harvested in bulk. Natural selection is effective, possible to carry out artificial selected if required. We can wait for opportunity to carry out selection. Bulk breeding refers to a selection procedure in which the segregation population of self-pollinated species is grown in bulk plot without selection or part of the bulk seed is used to grow the next generation and individual plant selection is practiced. Fifth is backcross method. Backcross refers to crossing of F1 with either of its parents. When the F1 is crossed with homozygous recessive parents, it is known as test cross. Backcross method is applicable in all the three groups of plants: self-pollinated, cross-pollinated, and asexually propagated plants. Backcross method has been widely used for the development of disease-resistant variety in both self and cross-pollinated species of wheat and cotton. It has also been used for interspecific gene transfer and development of multi-line varieties in self-pollinated species. The last one is clonal selection. Progeny of single plant obtained by asexual reproduction is known as clone. Pedigree breeding is method of genetic improvement of cell-pollinated species in which superior genotypes are selected from the separate and generation and pro-procedure code of the ancestry of the selected plants are maintained in each generation. Thank you very much.